Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are happy, good and fantastic and you're doing great in this language. Friends, if you don't know me, my name is Soni Singh and I am from Jharkhand. Friends, today I am going to share with you a solution. We face always this problem. We all face this problem always in our early days. That is, I know all grammar rules, but I can't speak. I know English, but I can't speak. I understand English, but I can't speak. Why? Why I cannot speak English? Because I know all this, but I can't try to speak. This is our biggest problem. Friends, only speaking is the key of to speak. Only speaking is the best key to speak. As long as you will not try to speak, you will not speak. Friends, English is a language and a language wants a mouth to speak. So, don't wait for best time because this is your best time. Don't find a partner. Speak English with yourself. Suppose that if you want to swim, but how? Friends, if you want to swim, then you will try to swim. Without trying, you can't swim. As long as you will not try to swim, you will not swim. You will not become a best swimmer. So, friends, always motivate yourself and try to give your best. Always motivate yourself because no one motivates you. Only you have the ability to motivate yourself. No matter how broken it is. Speak. Whatever comes to you, whatever you know, speak. Don't wait for best time because this is the best time. Try to speak English today. Try to speak English now. Only then you will become a fluent speaker. Friends, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe this channel because this channel is very useful for you. I upload new English sentences every day. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe.